Hi, I'm super excited. I have my kit and I wanted to share this moment with you as I open it for the first time. It comes shrink wrapped, so I got a little bit excited and I started tearing into it, but I wanted for you to be part of this moment. And so this is what you get, and it slides up and out, and you have some amazing information here that you can read. And I would suggest that you have your cheaters, or if you have really good eyes, then you can read the tiny print. But this is where the magic starts. So I wanted to share with you. You open it, and this is amazing. This are your essential oils, but it doesn't stop there. You have other information that's right here in this pocket that you absolutely need to read up on. I have found that some people ignore this little pouch. I know I ignored it for a while, and so you should not ignore the information that's here. It has a welcome letter. It has additional information, including information about growing your Young Living business. So you definitely want to take a look at that. And it has information on a glance of all the products. And so this kit here is in Spanish because I wanted to have information in Spanish. And so this information is in Spanish, but it does also come in English. Now, going back to the box, again, do not ignore some of the information in here, but equally important is opening this little tab right here, because underneath here, you think there's nothing, but you open this and voila, here you have more information, more goodies. This one is actually something that you can pop this way and it can actually stand. So I'm going to stand it right there. But look at what other amazing goodies they have. These are 10 oils, but you get the 11th oil right under here. And let me tell you, this Stress Away is amazing. So it is down here. This is your sample of your Thieves Household Cleaner. It's 1 ounce. You can literally make 2 to 3 spray bottles with this one little pouch, and we can talk about this some more later. This product is amazing. You get 2 samples of this red juice. Let me tell you, it is loaded with wonderful nutrients that you really need to read up on this one, and we'll talk about this one at a separate time. It also has this little roller bottle. It is an amazing little tool. You do not want to lose this because you can convert any of these bottles into a roller bottle instantaneously. So that's why this is for. And it also has 1 milliliter sample bottles. So if you have a friend or a family or a loved one that you want to share a few drops, you can do that. And it has these little cards where you can share the information. They have information on frankincense, panaway, peppermint, thieves. And so these are, you love people, you share it, and that way they too can find out how they can get this amazing product. And so wanted to move forward and talk a little bit about the diffuser. But again, didn't want anybody to miss out on this little compartment here. Again, it will have this when you get your kit. It will literally be down here. And so you might think that's it, but you have to make sure that you look underneath there, okay? Now on the actual diffuser, some people are wondering how to set up that diffuser. It is extremely simple to set up the diffuser. It comes with instructions, and let me share with you. The instructions are right here. Very easy to follow. Have in hand some distilled water. You can use regular tap water, but I would suggest distilled water because you're using pure oils, and some of our municipal water has other chemicals that they've added to it. So I would encourage you to buy distilled water. Now I have one here that I already have running, and because this one is brand new in a box, and this is the beauty. It comes with two buttons here, and I'm going to turn it off. You see all those pretty lights? They have 10 different lights. Just turn it off right there. All you do is you do this. When you get it brand new out of the box, of course it won't have any water. You will plug this little plug right underneath, and you can see it. Let me show you. You see it goes right there. Okay, so it's a lot easier to do that when it's empty. You see there's a little invisible kind of line right here, and that would be how far you would add water. Almost to the top, not quite to the top. It's kind of like at this little ridge right here, okay? And periodically you can clean that center part. You can actually clean with a little bit of cotton and a little bit of alcohol. You know, once a month you can kind of clean that. You see how it's still very clean because I use distilled water and the oils are pure, so there's no buildup. 3 to 4 drops. The instructions say about 8 drops. I have found that 3 drops max is all I need. Sometimes I'll add 2 of one and 2 of another to make a total 4, but usually 3 has been about my average. Of course, you will try that for yourself and see what works best for you and your family. You see this little notch here? It'll match this little notch right here. Okay? And then this just sits right over it. And you can tell that it's sitting right there because it's nice and even. If it's off to the side, obviously it's not sitting, but if it's right here on the center, then it's positioned right. And like I said, there's 2 buttons. There's the power and then the light. And so this is your power, and it comes in 3 settings. On a very heavy mist, the second click is a lighter mist, and the third click is an intermediate mist. And the instructions are inside the manual and on the side of the box. This button here is for your light. Can you see that? Now that is the first light. I do 2 of them and I get a nice little flicker. I do a combination of 3, and that color red will become other colors. They'll switch out in 5-second intervals. And I don't know if you can see that with the light of the camera. And again, all the instructions are in the box, but it has a total of 10 different lights. So if you want one particular color, you can toggle it to your favorite color. But again, there's the off button for no lights, and there's still a mist. You can see that. And it smells amazing. If you want a different color, again, your color are right here. That is your settings. And again, please make sure that the person that shared the wellness journey of oils diffusing and the young living lifestyle, make sure that you check with them, and if you have any questions, do not be intimidated or apprehensive about unpacking your starter kit. Once you get it, let me tell you, you will love it, and so will your family. So I hope this has helped. You know how to reach me, and please, if you are not directly affiliated with me, that's okay. Our Oily Family team is amazing, so the person that sent you this video will be more than happy to visit with you and answer any kind of questions you may have. Thanks for watching.